Hello, my name's Tiffany Kaur. I am 23 years old. This is my third semester at Hack. I am a part-time student and primarily work online because of my work schedule. To start, I'm going to talk about my family. I am the youngest of 5 children. You can see pictured on the right. I am the one all the way on the right. Between my siblings, I have 15 nieces and nephews, which do include their stepchildren as well. Outside of my immediate family, my grandparents also had abundance of siblings. My one grandmother had 9 siblings, so I have a huge family and a bigger support system. In high school, I played volleyball for 2 years as a setter. I was also in track and field. I threw primarily, my focus was on javelin. I also did art club, international club, and Rev It Up as my primary clubs. On the right, you can see a picture with me and my art teacher from my senior art show. Rev It Up was also a very big club for me during school. I was one of the student leaders in the club, and it just helped a lot of children with their homework after school and any social issues that they had. It kind of brought them out of their shell. And I even had the chance to instruct some of the craft activities, and it was very fulfilling for me to do so. I graduated Pine Grove in 2014. I attended LVC in 2015 because I wasn't really sure what college I wanted to go to or really what major I wanted to be in just yet. So I took a year off to figure that out. I only did 1 semester at LVC due to financial reasons. And just recently in the last year, I started to go back again and started doing a few courses online to help me achieve my degree. Currently, I am a supervisor in a textile plant. It basically makes fabric, and I run one of the shifts that inspect the fabric, and I just recently acquired this position. I would like to teach second or third grade, although it wouldn't really matter to me. I just have a preference for kids that age. I find them very intriguing. I hope to achieve to get my associate's degree and get a job at a school part-time, and then work towards a bachelor's degree as well in a double major in special education. The reason that I put the picture of some of my nieces and nephews and I in is because they are what drive me to want to be in this career. Growing up, I have been an aunt since I was 11, and it's one of the things I've always been very passionate about. So they help me a lot in wanting to be who I am because I love teaching them. And one of the other things that I'm looking into doing at the moment and would like to do shortly is to buy a house. I hope you enjoyed learning a little bit about me, and I can't wait to learn a little bit about whoever is watching this. Thank you for your time.